In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a skill from your LinkedIn profile. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. The first step is to log into your LinkedIn account. Simply go to the LinkedIn webpage or open the app and enter your login credentials to access your home feed. Once you're logged in, the next step is to access your profile. Look for your profile photo or find the Me icon at the top of the screen. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu, select the option that says View Profile. This will take you directly to your complete LinkedIn profile. Now that you are on your profile page, you will need to locate the Skills section. Scroll down a bit, and you'll see various sections of your profile, like Experience, Education, and Recommendations. Keep moving down until you reach the Skills section, which showcases the skills you have listed. After you find the Skills section, it's time to open the Skills Editor. On the right side of the Skills header, you'll see a small pencil icon. Click on this icon to enter the editing mode for your listed competencies. This is where all the magic happens. Next, you need to select the skill you want to remove. Within the Skills Editor, look for the skill that you are planning to delete. When you find it, glance to the right of that skill, and you'll see another pencil icon. Click on that pencil icon directly next to the specific skill you want to remove, and it will open up more options for that skill. Now that you've chosen the skill, you'll see an option that says Delete Skill. Click on this option. At this point, a confirmation message will pop up on your screen, warning you that deleting this skill will also remove any endorsements that are tied to it. This means that if someone recommended you for this skill, that endorsement will be lost too. It's always a good idea to think this through, especially if that skill has received many endorsements or is important for your professional representation. Once you've considered this and feel ready to proceed, go ahead and click on the Delete button in the confirmation message. This action will permanently remove the skill from your profile. And that's it. You've successfully removed a skill from your LinkedIn profile. Always remember to review your profile occasionally to ensure it reflects your most relevant abilities and accomplishments, as LinkedIn is a platform that connects professionals. If you've enjoyed this tutorial or found it helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more instructional content. Thank you for watching, and happy networking.